We're in kind of an exciting time because there's this bipartisan push to really focus on infrastructure funding as part of helping the economy recover. One of the challenges, though, that we see is at the state levels, where they really depend on understanding what's coming from the federal government when they go to set their budgets. That may push some of our states, some of our cities, some of our counties to lag until 2022 before they can really take advantage of the funds that are most likely coming in a new stimulus package. And this is really an opportunity for firms like Terracon and our clients to help educate our elected officials on the value of investment in infrastructure. If you look at what the pandemic has taught us, one of the outcomes is the inequality in access to the internet. So I think we're going to see a lot of emphasis on broadband. I think the pandemic has shown us that. One of the other things that we've seen is that there's probably an opportunity to really tackle energy efficiency and clean energy goals. And those renewable energy projects are going to be a great opportunity for some of those companies to realize a reasonable return on investment and at the same time provide our communities with a clean source of energy that will carry us well into the next generation and beyond. One of the big areas of transformation that we're seeing is really around data. As firms are figuring out not only the data they have, how to mine that data, but how to capture additional data and incorporate that in. The other thing that we're seeing is that there's this tendency of instrumentation and sensors to become more economical over time. And with those sensors and instrumentation, we're able to embed those in almost everything that gets built. That allows us to have this continuous feedback or do loop associated with infrastructure, which helps us to refine our designs. And I think what we're seeing is that firms are finding that it's not about the engineering of materials as much as it's becoming about the engineering of data.